Welcome back, guys. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for the support. Thank y'all for the love. Let's go right into it. So a lot of people know about day trading. They don't really know the ins and outs. They don't know the details of it, the kinds, but people know about trading. People know about clicking buttons, making money, and getting rich. We're going to go over things that you need to start day trading today. It's 2025. It's January. It's new. People are motivated. People are trying to find new ways to make money. And I'm here to help y'all, right? We're all trying to make money together. We're all trying to become great. So I'm going to go over the things that I think you need to start trading today. The first thing you're going to need is a software called TradingView. And this is how it looks right there. TradingView, right? Now, what does TradingView do? TradingView allows you to look at price, look at charts, stocks, bonds, options, whatever it may be. It is a software that you're able to go in and look at price, be able to take trades, come in and out, come in trades, get out of trades, make money, and sometimes even lose money, right? So TradingView gives you a plethora of options and gives you a lot of capabilities to be in the trading space at home. You don't need 30 monitors. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be looking at a crazy amount of numbers that's moving up and down all day, right? So the first thing you're gonna need is TradingView, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like right here. So right now we're in TradingView. This is what TradingView looks like. You can customize the colors, you can customize everything. To give you an example of what I was talking about before, you can draw a whole bunch of things on here. If you watch my previous videos, you can see me drawing, making boxes, everything like that. And that's because TradingView allows us to do all that, right? So why do we do all this? Well, we're able to see where price is, right? Everybody wants to look at price and their understanding. That's the best way to do it. And the best way to organize yourself is to have those annotations that you understand on your chart right here, right? You have these boxes, these fair value gaps. You got a whole bunch of lines, right? Marking out highs and lows. And the reason why we do this is to eventually get to the point where we could take trades, right? So I took this trade earlier. I forgot what day this was. The 3rd of January, right? I was doing a lot of testing and a lot of looking, and this is a trade that looked very well, very, very good, right? So you see these SMT divergence that I marked out. So this is why TradingView is so crucial in my opinion, because it gives you all these options to stay organized and to learn, right? If like, let's say if you want to trade crypto, right? Everybody know what cryptos is, right? Bitcoin, we're on the Bitcoin. Look at that, Bitcoin is falling, right? On the 1 minute, but it's always the higher time frame, right? So you want to look at Bitcoin, how it moves every 15 minutes. You want to look at it how it moves every hour, every 4 hours, every day. And if you really want to, you can see how price moves every week. So each candle is a week. So we had an up week, up week, up week. And it just gives you so much data and so much capability to learn and to get into this space, right? TradingView even allows you to take trades, like I was saying before. If you could go in trades, you could come out outside of trades. You can do anything. You can do a lot of things on TradingView. Okay, so now we have TradingView out the way, right? So what's the second thing you need to do? Well, since you already have TradingView, and TradingView is a great software to have to trade, you're basically almost there to trade. So now the second thing you need to do is develop your mindset for trading. Trading is a very unique niche, very unique career. There's not a lot of careers or businesses that it's normal to lose money 3 to 4 times a week, and then you gain money 1 week and you're in profit, right? There's not a lot of businesses that allow you to just lose that constantly and be a good business. So my one tip for psychology and one tip for your trading mindset is that you are going to lose. So when you come in here, you download TradingView and you start doing all your data and your analysis, your back testing, just know that losing is inevitable and you're going to lose. So that's okay. So when you do lose and this stuff is not working out, just know you're on the right path. Just keep putting in the work, keep putting in that effort, show up every day, and everything is going to start to roll and is going to start to click, and you're going to realize that you have a skill now that no one could ever take it away. And all you got to do is just fine tune it and sharpen it a little bit. And now you have a skill for the rest of your life that can help you make money. Everything requires work. You just got to work and put in the effort to make this skill a reality. So you can either quit your job, make more income, buy that house, buy that car, buy your spouse or your partner that gift, that jewelry, whatever you want, right? Once you learn this skill, it's going to transfer into real life and you're going to see it. You're going to see the fruits of your labor. So just have that mindset that it's not going to click at once. It's not going to be great at first, and it's going to be very frustrating, especially when you're losing, right? When you put in so much work and then you put in a trade and the trade loses, it doesn't feel good. So just know coming into here that it's going to take some work, and losing is completely normal. Now, this leads into my third and fourth thing that you need. It kind of intertwines together. Now let's jump back onto the charts. So when we're looking at trading, right? We're looking at the charts. I'm gonna go to the one that I am most familiar with. When we're looking at the charts and we want to put in a trade, if you don't know strategies, that's fine. Go check out my other video for the strategies. But for right now, we're focusing more on money and actually what to do, how to do it, how to put in money and everything like that. For beginners, don't worry about how to put real money into the market. What you're going to need to do is paper trade. And paper trading is simulated trading. It's practice trading. It's video game trading. You can have $1 million in paper trading and it's all fake. It's like GTA trading. So that's my third thing, is knowing how to paper trade. So when you come into TradingView and you make your free account, you're going to go to the trading panel. It's going to open up a whole bunch of options, right? These are brokers, and this is where you actually put money into, and then you'll connect it to the broker so you can actually make those executions, those trades coming in and out on TradingView. But for now, when we're trying to learn, because we don't want to lose money, especially coming into it as a beginner, we're going to lose money, right? So our job is to make sure we don't lose too much money. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to paper trading right there, right here. We're going to connect. I already have a paper trading account of $100,000 and it's $600, right? It's fake money, absolutely fake, super fake, to the point where, look, I'm about to go just take a random trade for y'all right now, because I want to show you how fake this is, right? We're on Bitcoin right now, and I see some up candles, right? We're going to come down here to trade, open up this panel, take profit, stop loss. And that leads me into my fourth tip, is understand what take profit, understand what stop loss is, understand what limits are, stops are, market executions. Because if you don't understand what you're doing in regards of actually putting in trades, you're going to lose a lot more money than you anticipated. So if you don't understand, that is my fourth tip for you, is understanding position sizing, understanding what you want to do, how you want to do it. And to help you, there's another tip right here, is if you want to size your positions, and since I want to go up, let's say I want to go up right now. All right, we're going to put this at the entry because that's where price is at. Adjust our stop losses. All right, look at that, 6,500 points. 6,500, that's the stop loss right there. Let's say we want to risk $3,000. And since I see price kind of coming down right now a little bit, I'm still going to go long, buy, take profit. Let's say we want it up here. Look at that, 15,500. We'll just round up to make it easier. All right, and this is what it is. We'll press buy, make sure it's paper trading right here, and we'll press buy. It'll make that beautiful sound. And you could adjust your position right here so it can match what you're actually doing, and you can have a beautiful visual. You can have a beautiful visual while you're trading. So this is a perfect time to understand your risk. I'm gonna have a video on risk management soon, but knowing how to put in trades like this, knowing how to go up, how to go down, is very crucial. Because again, if you don't know what buttons you're pressing, if you don't know what market executions are, limits are, stops are, and you're pressing random buttons and you do something by mistake, you're going to lose a lot of money, especially if you don't even know how to exit the position. So when you have TradingView, make your free account, open up that paper trading account, and just start getting familiar with the software. Even if you don't have a strategy, even if you don't even know how you want to trade, where you want to trade, just get in there and just start identifying yourself with the buttons, right? Because there were some times where I came into this freshly new and I was just clicking buttons and I didn't even know. I thought I wasn't in a trade at one point, and I remember looking at my profit and my profit was just going down. And I was like, what's going on? And I was still in a trade and I had no idea. So that's bad. And I don't want you guys to make that same mistake. So when you come in here, make sure you practice, you understand the software before even thinking about going into putting your own money with a broker or even spending money on prop firms. Because if you don't know what you're doing on here, you're basically just donating money to the markets or other businesses. And that leads me into my last tip. Once you understand the buttons, once you understand how to take trades in, take trades out, because you've been paper trading the responsible way, once you understand how everything moves on TradingView, on paper trading, what stops are, executions, limits, once you understand that because you've been practicing and you've been reaching out to me and asking questions, that's when you can start thinking to yourself, okay, let me learn a strategy. Let me learn how to actually trade. Let me learn how to actually read the markets. Let me understand how to actually be a profitable trader. That would be your next step once you start learning how to utilize this software, how to utilize this machine. And you can reach out to me, comment on my videos. I have my socials connected to these videos, and you can just learn. We're all here to learn together. So if we want, we could take a look at the trade again. This is how the trade is looking like. The trade jumped up, it came down, but look at that. We have our stop loss right here. So just in case price comes all the way down, TradingView will take us out automatically and take us out at a $3,000, which is 3% of $100,000, right? That's not a big loss, right? I set it up that way. And you need to understand how to set it up that way as well. Because look at that, when price is coming down and it looks like it's gonna melt, we don't want to be in trades without the proper stops. Because if it keeps continuing to melt and melt and melt, and we're not aware of that, we can lose so much money. We have the automatic take profit here. Price can reverse at any time. So if price gets there, it gets my money out automatically. I'm out, I made money for the day, all my trade is closed out. So in conclusion, understand the software. Get the software first. Understand it, paper trade, and then once you understand all the buttons and what everything means, then start looking to a strategy. I have a strategy on my YouTube channel, on my homepage. Just go ahead, check it out. It's a very simple strategy. So you can start understanding that strategy and you can start testing it and analyzing it. So you can be able to read the markets and then start putting in money into the markets, whether it be for prop firms or your own money. And once you start doing that, and after you analyze all that, you actually have a strategy that you can work with, that you can tailor to, and you can refine. Because that's what we're all trying to get to a point where we understand the strategy and we can execute and make money long term, because that's why we're here. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Thank you all for the support. Remember, I'm here for y'all. So if you ever need any help, questions, curiosity, please reach out to me in any way that you can on here. I have a lot of ways, and I'll do my best to help you. And look, we're gonna take a look at the trade again, and it's back at break even. I'll leave it running because it's a paper trading account. I like to see what happens, but I'm gonna leave the trade running. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.